We're proud that we tried something that was kind of weird, like out of both our wheelhouses, but also like interesting. So our piece uses ink and water and light. A big component is that it's interactive, so you can scan a QR code and you can control the color of ink that's dropped into this tank. You can control the backlighting, and anyone who's viewing it can interact with the piece.
We started off by literally just walking around downtown and seeing like, hey, that's a cool building or that's a cool structure. Maybe we could do something with that. But I think we kind of threw it all out the window and went back to his studio and was like, well, let's just bust out in this old projector and a fish tank. In just that little interaction, it kind of inspired this, oh wow, we got light, we got color, we have really dynamic, kind of chaotic interactions that are happening in the waterscape. And through that, it was like, okay, so now we have a foundation. We're super fortunate to run into the Levitated Toy Factory building at Silver and 7. We had this amazing like corner of a building that was all glass that we could project onto. So.
Seemed like they cared, you know, they cared about what we were doing. We installed the project. Sherry came out and a bunch of the other people from the Albuquerque arts department came out to check it out and promote it. It was a great experience.
I'm not formally trained as an artist. I've done some crafts here and there, and it was a very easy process, I guess, working with the city and doing something a lot more formal. And then being a great avenue for facilitating interaction between us and building owners and, you know.
Lots of possibilities. It's like we've done the hard part, which is like making the actual thing, and so now it's like refining it and tweaking it and making it better. We came up with a name, Tilted Collective. We would like to do more. We talk about doing other projects.
I do feel too a lot of the stuff that I hope that we work on in the future is a nice kind of blend of like digital and physical. That was a really nice thing about this project was it wasn't like just electronics to display something, but there was truly moving mechanisms.